Wait nga, gawin nating mas masaya.
Look at the big wide world we're living in. Yeah, I'll keep running until I discover it. I know I've got.
Welcome to our Day 3 Taiwan experience.
So, nandito kami ngayon sa Taipei Main Station. It's January 26, 8:11 a.m. Nagahan namin kasi meron kaming tour sa Yelyu Geopark, Shifen, Jifen. Ayan sila. Hinahanap nila yung mga stamps. Diba kada station may mga stamps. So, meron sila mga notebook.
You heard it right! Today, we're going on a tour. We are primarily going to 3 different places. We're gonna go to the Geopark, then Jufen, and then Shifen.
Alright! Thank you!
You're welcome, Chodora! The tour costs around 2,000 pesos per head nung binook namin sila sa Klook. This is not too bad considering na hindi ka na problema sa itinerary at sa biyahe. May kasama pang tour guide na magbibigay sa inyo ng iba't ibang mga insights tungkol sa mga binibisita nyong lugar. Just to note na hindi kasama yung pagkain at please huwag kayong malilate kasi baka iwan nila kayo pag hindi kayo dumating on time. Our pickup location was Taipei Main Station so we made sure na maaga kaming dumating dito. And after all the participants were gathered, we got on the bus. And here is our guide. His name is Aaron.
Right, you guys see my name outside. So actually my name is called Aaron. Okay, Aaron. The last one.
Our tour guide gave us some maps para hindi kami maligaw pagdating namin dun sa location. It took about an hour to an hour and a half to get to Geopark, pero okay lang kasi ang ganda ng view habang papunta kami doon. And welcome to Yelyu Geopark.
May konti. Nasaan ka ngayon?
Yelyu Geopark.
Maghanap tayo ng bato.
This is supposedly a guided tour pero pinapabayaan kami ng tour guide namin to just go on our own way. Para at least mapuntahan na rin namin lahat ng lugar na gusto naming puntahan kasi nga minsan hindi na kumakasya yung oras.
Trunk also has the other place to take a photo.
Ang Geopark is famous for its unique rock formations na hinubog ng wind and waves for thousands of years. Pinaka-iconic dito ang Queen's Head, isang bato na mukhang profile ng isang queen. Pero aside from that, marami pang mga mushroom rocks and cool shapes na perfect for photos.
Gumana yung Ozempic na ilang years.
But before we get to the queen, let's visit one of the princesses first.
Oo. Cute princess yung tawag sa kanya.
This is the cute Princess Rock. She's one of the many rock formations that you can find here. Unfortunately, because of the continuous erosion, unti-unti nang numinipis yung neck niya. It's actually hard to believe that these things started from under the ocean. Taiwan sits on top of a tectonic plate split and due to the continuous earthquake, unti-unting na-push up ang mga rock formation na to. And because of the weathering and erosion, they got their shapes.
Wow naman! Wow!
You can also be very senti and take some photos by the beach.
Anong kailangan kong gawin upang malaman mo ikaw ang minamahal ko?
But seriously, this is a great spot to take pictures. O tara na, let's continue exploring! The whole strip is 1.7 kilometers long at sa dami ng mga rock formations, kayo na lang magsasawa. Bukod sa mushroom rocks, you also have your fairy shoes, meron din yung elephant rock, and candle rocks. When you find yourselves here in the future, look for all of them to your heart's desire. Meron din silang display na to that shows you how much the ground has been pushed up because of all of the earthquakes. You can trace it with the yellow markings on the glass.
Ayan o. Kung ano siya, kung ano yung nakikita mong dilaw.
And we found the Queen's Head, or what we believe is the Queen's Head. Sobrang dami kasi nila. And of course, more photos! And after taking a lot of shots, dumiretso na kami dun sa further part of the strip.
Nasaan ka?
Batuhan.
Nagbabato.
Huwag mong subukan.
Dito sa YLU Geo Park. Geo tuloy.
After resting for a bit, we went back to the bus and headed our way to Jiffin. Before getting there, we were dropped off sa Golden Waterfall. Normally, kitang-kita yung golden color ng water dahil sa limestone na natatangay habang bumababa yung tubig. Pero nung dumaan kami, hindi ganun katingkad. Baka na stage fright. And we were dropped off sa Jiffin.
So, we're walking now. Papunta kami ng Jufen. Medyo kanina mainit. Ngayon may araw pero hindi masyadong mainit. Here, the sign for Jufen. Capybara, 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 capybara.
Ano daw?
So, na-realize ko lang, hindi pala talaga ako or kami pang guided tours or joiners. Kasi madalas nakakapikon. Yung mga kilala mo na malilate, you can tolerate them. Pero yung mga strangers, it's a big no.
Huwag kasi kayo nalilate. And welcome to Jiffin. Jiffin is a charming mountain town in Taiwan that feels like a step back in time. Dating back to gold mining era, this place is famous for its narrow streets, glowing red lanterns, and cozy old tea houses. Habang naglalakad sa Jiffin Old Street, ang daming masasarap na street food like taro balls and the famous peanut ice cream roll. Perfect na perfect for food trip. Plus, the mountain and ocean views are absolutely stunning. They also had this really awesome toy shop.
Charizard. Oo nga, ang ganda lang sa Astro Boy yung details.
We were only given about an hour and a half to explore Jiffin. Nakakalungkot kasi sobrang daming magagandang shop na gusto sana naming isa-isahin, pero dahil konti na lang ang oras, humanap na lang muna kami ng kakainan. This is one of those places na alam mong babalikan mo in the future para makita mo siya ng buong buo. In the meantime, let's find some food spots. And we found this shop. Welcome to food stall number 32. The food price here ranges from around 50 NTD to 150 NTD. So in pesos, that would be around 100 pesos to 300 pesos. They offer braised pork on rice and a lot of different types of soup. Pero syempre, tinry namin yung best seller nila, which is the beef noodle soup.
Ito ang beef noodles. Titikman na niya.
Masarap siya.
Kaso,
Pero yun siya yung matamis kasi braised beef. Hindi siya yung
so pares.
paano siya.
And after eating, we explored some more.
Recommend na ako.
Tea house na.
Tea house, ma.
The owner of this tea museum was actually super nice. She allowed us to go in and take some photos and videos ng libre. And after that, we saw this ocarina vendor.
Taiwan Ocarina.
Ang lakas maka FPJ movie soundtrack nung tugtog ni Kuya. O aminin mo, inabutan mo rin yung pitong gatang. Napakabilis ng oras. And just like that, we're back on the road to Shifen. Before going to the famous Shifen rail station, pinuntahan muna namin ang Shifen Waterfalls. Sa mga medyo malulain dyan, this could be quite challenging kasi medyo mataas yung bridge before you get to the waterfalls. And yet again, this is one of those spots where you can take really great photos, so make sure you take them. I have to be honest, hindi na kami nakababa ng waterfall kasi ang sakit ng paa namin dahil may katandaan na kami. Next time na lang siguro pag nakabalik. O imagine niyo na lang napuntahan na natin. Then we headed to the Shifen Railway para magpalipad ng lantern namin. Siyempre hindi kami aalis dito nang hindi nagagawa yun. And it's time to head back to Taipei. In the end, the tour felt very hectic. Yun bang feeling na parang minadali mo lahat? Pero I think that's the point. Para eventually someday, bumalik ka at explore siya ng mas maigi. When we got back to Ximending, we made sure na matikman namin yung isang sikat na noodle shop.
So, kanina walang pila. Pero usually may pila dyan. Sobrang haba. Ngayon may pila na naman ulit. Naswertehan namin. Ano natin? I-kemen yung ate. Ayan siya. Anong lasa? Sarap siya. Masarap?
Masarap naman.
Ba't ka natatawa?
To be honest, this is actually one of the best dishes that we've tried here.
Kasi walang mga chairs dito.
At kailangan natin gumilid naman. Tingnan mo sila yung sit.
After that, we tried this crispy milk donuts.
Ngayon, titikman na niya. Anong lasa? Sap?
And that is the end of our day 3 experience here in Taiwan. Please stay tuned and subscribe because next week we're gonna go to Bopiliao, Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Stadium, and Taipei National Museum.
Pa kayo dito? Nanilimos ba kayo?